Hiring software engineering talent across Latin America can be a challenge. Especially the massive amount of nearshore vendors pitching they hire the top 1%. Yeah, that is absolute bull. The industry has been designed to make profit off of the backs of IT talent for decades. Even the typical international talent platforms and EOR vendors follow the same business model. In the end, most vendors are not transparent on where the dollars are going and if the talent is paid fairly with the necessary benefits. Most claim they do so, but are they really? Can US companies validate that type of transparency? Yeah, that's a big no. This is where we come in and challenge the industry status quo by doing what most vendors and online platforms are not willing to do. We give our US clients a comprehensive automated system that covers from predicting nearshore resource capacity costs, resource capacity alignment to total transparency where the money is going. One system that is a symbiotic extension of their technical operations by using science and a tremendous amount of determination. While most nearshore vendors talk a good game and compete in a small pond, we took a different direction. We built a station utilizing proprietary human-centered AI to give US companies unparalleled access, transparency, control, and risk mitigation to build tomorrow's mission with the right people, doing the right things at the right time. Please click on the link below to schedule a demo flight.